Hello and welcome to Fleet Witness Live. This is your all-in-one platform for managing vehicle fleets smarter, safer and more efficiently. In the next few minutes, I want to show you the key aspects of what makes our platform stand out. So from the fleet screen, this is where you see all your real-time data. So we can see the location of the vehicles. We can see things like the driving status, camera status, fuel levels, driver name, driving grade, temperature reporting, battery reporting, and there's a whole host of other data points that you can have at your disposal if you wish to include them. These are highly configurable table screens. All of these can be rearranged and moved around to suit your preference. So if you want eyes on the road, it's nice and quick and easy to pull through live video from the devices out in the vehicles. This particular fleet has forward-facing cameras, and we stream 1 frame per second basically, just to give you an idea of what's going on the road at any given time. If I jump down and move into journeys, so across a journey, we're collecting information on things like the start and end times, the duration, the distance, registration, driver, and again, all the columns are configurable. If we look at the last journey here on the right-hand side, we start to get a breakdown. So we can see it's a 20-minute journey covering 16.1 miles. Because we are connected into the vehicle's CAN bus, we get some very accurate fuel data. So we can see here things like our driving fuel level, total fuel level at the start of the journey, end of the journey. Quite importantly as well, the MPG and the CO2 usage, which is becoming more of a concern for more customers these days. So costs, we've got idling fuel costs, so no idling across this fleet, so that's all good. Our driving fuel costs, so these are taken from system input entries where you could put your weekly fuel costs in every week, and that'll give you an accurate figure then for your journeys. And again, if you've got a average driver cost or an average vehicle maintenance cost, you can put those in as well. So we can see the total estimated cost for that journey is $753. We've also as well got driver behavior scores here. If I just select a different journey, see if there's any scoring. They've been quite well behaved today. Anything on here? Let's select the full day. No, that's all looking good so far. I'm going to quickly flick to the other vehicle and see if there's anything to show on this one. Basically, they'll be graded on their harsh corner, harsh break-in. So no, that's all looking pretty good at the moment. Must be behaving themselves. And let's have a look at one of these journeys. So if we step through into here, you can see we've got a journey here. I'm going to flip back up to the map view at the top there. So this was one where I'd highlighted a harsh corner. Every line in this table is basically a packet sent through from the tracking device. So we can see here as it's come through, there's a harsh corner generated. I believe it says he comes off the roundabout here. And we're able to very quickly and easily download video. Just to show how that works, you can right click, you can request video from any point in time. You're able to either select and it will show you a single frame preview, or if you want to go ahead and just download, you can have your selection up in the top right hand corner to 30 seconds, hit download and away we go. So we'll give that a few minutes whilst it downloads. Whilst we wait, I just wanted to point out here the chilled temperature reporting coming through, and a handy little feature we have at the top we call the chart, which allows you to see the temperature plotted throughout the day and just highlight where your spikes might be. What we'll do, jump across now into records and camera, and within here we should be able to see the request that I've put through. Yep, you can see that's just finishing to download now. And actually, I've just had the email pop through as well to let me know it's done. And there we go. We've got that video within maybe 20 seconds. We've been able to pull that video through from the device. Another thing I want to point out very quickly is our vehicle checklists. So you can configure your own walk-around checklists. They can be for anything. The core sort of feature or reason they were built was for a walk-around check to do the vehicle maintenance. So the driver could have this set, so he needs to complete it on either a daily basis or a weekly basis. It's configurable timescales. You'll get feedback through to our fleet screen to let you know when a defect's reported or when a checklist hasn't been completed. We also have our alerts and reports engine that allow you to report on things immediately as soon as they happen. So here we can see the customer's got some for fuel level dropped. There's also some for things like impact, for defects, or you could have it for things like temperatures going outside of pre-agreed ranges. And that can generate an email or a pop-up within the software itself. That in a nutshell covers some of the key features that we have within the platform. Something else just to mention very quickly that is if we were trying to request video from a vehicle that was parked and the camera system had shut down, we do have quite a unique function on the platform whereby we can send commands out to pieces of equipment, so in this case a camera system, to turn that camera back on. Anyway, I hope that has been useful for you. Thanks for watching.